Eczema, that horrible itchy rash on your skin, isn't new. Ancient Egyptians suffered from eczema and sought relief with oatmeal baths. And it worked. Hippocrates, the father of modern medicine, discussed the role of skin disease, sweating, and itching over 2,000 years ago. 30 million Americans suffer from eczema, including children. Doctors have discovered a genetic link for eczema between parent and child. If a parent suffers from eczema, the child may be predisposed to eczema as well. 1 in 5 school-aged children have this rash, and 1 in 12 adults suffer from eczema. This condition can affect their self-image, self-esteem, and their health. It can affect everyday life and cause a lack of sleep. It can also be embarrassing. This video will discuss exactly what eczema is and how it can be treated to reduce the symptoms. It's not a disease, and there is no cure. But the symptoms of itch and inflammation can be contained. Eczema can't be caught from someone else. It's an immune disorder that can flare up because of environmental and emotional causes, and those are matters we can control. We will discuss the lifestyle changes necessary to alleviate the worst of the eczema symptoms, or get rid of the rash altogether. Although the eczema rash has been around for thousands of years, we still know far too little about it. Research is just beginning, and it has shown that changes in lifestyle habits can have a tremendously beneficial effect on eczema. Eczema Fix: How to Get Rid of Eczema Naturally and Permanently places the control of this disorder in your hands. There may not be a cure for eczema, but you no longer need to suffer from its debilitating effects. Eczema is an autoimmune disease where the body refuses to function as it should. Be aware that the same autoimmune dysfunctions can simultaneously bring about other autoimmune problems, such as Crohn's disease and allergies. By easing the symptoms of eczema, you may well be helping your body cope with other autoimmune challenges. The standard medical cure for eczema is hydrocortisone steroids cream. This works well at alleviating the symptoms, but it does nothing to address the underlying causes of eczema. That is what this video does to help you become eczema-free for life. Certain changes in your daily life can do much to rid yourself of eczema. Most rashes have very specific triggers, which this video will discuss. Once you identify the triggers and alleviate them from your environment, you are taking the necessary steps to rid yourself of the symptoms of eczema.